Hello reception, I'm back with my birds today. Now how many birds can you see? I've got one, two. Only two birds because today we're going to learn a rhyme called Two Little Dickie Birds. Now it's my turn first and then we'll do it again so you can join in. Are you ready? We've got two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Well done, everybody. You did really good listening. Shall we try it together? Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Now there's a different verse that we can learn. My turn first. Are you ready to listen? Two little dicky birds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet and one named Loud. Fly away, quiet, fly away, loud. Come back, quiet, come back, loud. Shall we try that one together? Two little dicky birds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet and one named Loud. Fly away, quiet, fly away, loud. Come back, quiet, come back, loud. Well done, reception. Can you have a go at practicing that rhyme at home with your grown-ups? Charlie and I would love to see a video if you record it. We'll see you soon.